Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study with me. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of Geography Minor for BA third year. Hydrosphere and Marine Resources. This syllabus is also important for 2026 and 27. Now we will see the units of this syllabus. Unit 1 contain Hydrosphere, meaning and significance, knowledge of marine geography in ancient India with special reference to Ram Setu, distribution on and quality of earth water, biochemical properties of hydrosphere, relief topography of ocean floor, submarine relief of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. The second unit contain physical properties of oceanic water, temperature, horizontal and vertical distribution, density, controlling factors of density and stratification, salinity, sources, controlling factors and distribution in seas. The third unit contain oceanic circulation, concept of oceanic waves, theories and types, currents, meaning, origin and types, currents of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean, tides, meaning, types and theory of origin. The fourth unit contain oceanic deposits and coral reef, source and classification of ocean deposit, coral reefs, favorable condition for development, types, theories of origin, coral bleaching. The fifth unit contain marine resources and their management, concept of marine resources, maritime zone and law of sea, classification of marine resources, food, minerals, energy and freshwater resources, conservation and management of marine environment and resources, oceanic resources of India and their potential. So this was the syllabus of geography for BA third year for minor and open elective. Now we will discuss the practical part of geography. In the practical part, it contains 4 units. First unit is topographical sheets, types and nomenclature, interpretation of topographical sheets with reference to plain and hilly area, conventional signs. Second is remote sensing, definition, development and platforms, aerial photography and satellite remote sensing, principle, types and geometry of aerial photography, georeferencing of maps and images, preparation of FCC and other brand combination, satellite image interpretation. The third unit is statistical data, significance of statistical method in geography, source of data, tabulation, descriptive statistic, measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode, measures of dispersion, standard deviation and variation. Fourth is plane table survey, radiation and intersection method. So friends, these are the whole syllabus of geography for BA third year. If the video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe.